Kings pulled off a heist on the 31st of March of the Indian IPL League as they defended a paltry score of 111 to beat the Kolkata Knight Rider by 16 runs. Yuzvendra Chahal was the frontrunner of the win of the picked up of the 4 wickets that were to bowl out the KKR for the 95 runs. This was the lowest total defended in the IPL history. Also, the Punjab Knight Riders batted first, but they couldn't get any momentum in the innings as the Harshit Rana ran through in the batting order with the 3 wickets haul. 2 wickets each by the Varun Chakravarti and Neil Narayan also meant that the team was bowled out for 111. On most days 112 would have been a cakewalk. However, the 3 wickets by the Marco Jansen and 4 by the Chahal helped PBKS pull off the stunning win. Nothing to explain. We saw what happened there. Pretty disappointing with the effort that I'll be also blamed and that we didn't play the good shot, although it was we that missed out. Also, we wasn't very sure that the Krish after giving back to the LBW, he also said that we could beat the umpire's call. That didn't work out and I didn't want to take a chance to that time and I wasn't sure as well. There was no discussion, not really. Was NNR in the mind? Also, we batted really badly as the batting unit. We take full responsibility. Bowlers did really well on the surface, restricting a strong Punjab batting lineup to 111. Also, as an individual, you can still be very confident and positive. On the wicket, batting with the full race was better. Sweep was pretty hard to play. Keep the intent going, but the play cricketing shots. Also, we were reckless of the taking responsibility. Also, the moment where too many things going on in my head. It was an easy chase for us. When I go upstairs, need to keep myself calm and then think about what to say to the boys. Also, we still have to be very positive. Half of the tournament is still remaining and we have to address this and move forward, said the KKR captain Rahane after the defeat. It's very hard to express in words. I have been just backing my instinct. I saw the ball turn a bit, asked Yuzi to control his breathing as much as possible. We need to be attacking at the right player where the right places were there. Also, in the tough to talk right now, it is such wins that make it very special. I personally felt when I was out to the bat that I faced 2 balls, one stayed low and one hit the bottom of the bat. People were finding it difficult to sweep. There were variable bounces in the wicket. We got a decent total, to be honest, looking at the win of 16